Good day and God bless everyone. My name is Arnel M. Dahuya. In this video, I will use a sample lesson plan on mother tongue and analyze the activities to determine if it adapts the constructivist approach to lesson development. So here is my analysis about the lesson using the following questions. First question, is the learning objective clearly defined? The picture shows the objectives of the lesson. For me, the learning objectives are clearly defined. As you can see, the topic is about noun markers. Constructivism is about exposing learners to its environment as they construct their own knowledge and their own learning. In the objectives, learners are to use naming words in sentences and they are to identify the noun markers being used. By that, learners can process and understand what noun markers are. In addition, it is certainly be developed since they are to write also the correct noun marker in the sentence, in which it touches about learning by doing. Number two question is the activity motivating for the learner? I will cite this activity as an example. The activity is motivating for the learners. In this group activity, teacher uses differentiated activities according to its learning need. Since learners have already idea about noun markers, so this time they are to deepen their understanding about the acquired learning as they do the activity. They are given a chance to explore on their own as they answer the activity following the given directions. Number three, is the learner informed of how he or she will be assessed? In this part of the lesson, especially that learners are now generating the generalization and abstractions about the lesson. They are informed on how they will be assessed. Teacher informs the learners for it is the basis of their performance in assessing their learning about the lesson. Number four, does the learner have an opportunity to share ideas with others? Yes, learner has the opportunity to share ideas with others. I will cite as an example. During class discussion and developing the lesson, learners are asked about what noun marker to use if it talks about one naming word or two naming words. By that, they will be able to share their ideas with others about the concept that they learned. And they are also to reason out when to use them. Thus, they have the opportunity to share their ideas with others. Number five, is the learner provided with sources and support to help build knowledge? In this part of the lesson, I can say that learners are guided with the activities given by the teacher that help them build their own knowledge about the lesson. Teacher uses a game and pictures in order for them to develop the concept of the lesson to acquire learning. Teacher makes sure to guide and facilitate the learners as they did every activity as they are given directions on how to do it. Number 6. Does it allow collaboration among learners? By doing the group activity, I can say that collaboration of the learners is developed as they did the activity as a group. It is during group activity that learners work together as one to finish the task on time and by ensuring that everybody participates as well. Number 7. Does the activity allow the learner to use new ideas in novel situations? Yes, the activity allows the learner to use new ideas in novel situations, especially in developing the affective domain. They are asked how important trees are to people, and lots of ideas will be elicited from the learners, and by those ideas, they may be fall to novel situations that allow them to use new ideas. Number 8. Does it encourage the learner to build knowledge that leads to new insights and discoveries? Yes, it encourages the learner to build knowledge that leads to new insights and discoveries. For example, they learn that paper is made from trees. So, with this, they may think that they should not waste their paper because it takes a lot of trees in making papers, and they know how the trees are very important to people. And this ends my presentation about analyzing the lesson plan on MTB using those questions. Thank you and God bless.